But this medal was not just about the medal, it was mastery. How do you describe it?
Bro, you you know more than anyone like what I have been through over the past 2 years. So this feels special actually, and I would cherish this for like 1 or 2 days, and then I have to get back to work. But the silver medal really means a lot to me. And for everyone who supported me during the tough times, and everyone who said that I won't be jumping again ever in my career, this medal is for you. And I'm just being grateful. I'm to be honest, I'm just being grateful to be here representing my country at the Commonwealth Games, putting a good show. So thankful to God Almighty, thankful to everyone who supported me, thankful to my country, and better performance to follow. I have to really up my game, and I have to jump really far in the Asian Games to win a medal for my country there.
How was the conditions today? Because it was a wet pitch. Does that make it difficult?
Obviously, the conditions are cold and windy, but it is applicable for everyone. You can't blame the weather. You have to be the best prepared athlete here. You have to understand the conditions, and you have to adapt to the conditions to gain an edge over your fellow competitors. So that's what exactly we did. And to be very honest, if I want to share a personal experience, so I'm really happy with the way how athletes are conducting ourselves within the camp, especially when I'm talking to Sarvesh Bhaiya, TJ, Tejas, and Rajesh, Vishal. So every one of us sitting together and discussing in the dinner that how we can cope up with the conditions here. Because in India, we have the hot and humid conditions, right? So the conditions in Bhubaneswar last month was totally opposite to what we are having in Glasgow here. So Sarvesh Bhaiya asked me to carry a sleeping bag with him. So he has carried a sleeping bag. He has asked me to carry a thermos. He has asked me how to get warmed up every single time. I was taking inputs from TJ. TJ was telling me like how tricky the conditions were. Yesterday it was very rainy. So Pooja suffered, like Pooja had to struggle a lot during her jumps. So but we have some phenomenal performances in the track as well. But field events are a bit difficult because you have to be there for like 1.5-2 hours rather than like 10 seconds what the sprinters do in the 100 meters. So that's how it is. Like I got a lot of inputs from Sarvesh Bhaiya for sure. Like he asked me how to get myself up there, and he gave me all the sleeping bags, all the jackets and everything. So really happy with the way my team and all of us strategized the competition for today.
We saw after that event you were hugging Dr. Dinshu Padiwala. Could you please describe that?
So he has been the prominent figure of sports medicine in India, and I'm really happy that he came to watch my event. And he was in the stands cheering for me, and really very kind of him being there and supporting me along with my coaches, along with my friends there. So really happy about it.
What are the first days, the preparation? How does the preparation for Asian Games start?
Immediately after this, I'm just heading to the warm-up area to do rehab and prehab for my knee, because after every single competition, every single jump session, I have to do some work for my knee to keep it balanced, because my knee is not like what I had like a few years back. So it's a very tricky condition for me also. I have to keep my knee very healthy. So I'll just cherish it. I'll take a day or two off, and then come back preparing for the Asian Games.
Congratulations and hope to see you soon.
Thank you so much.